with the start cycle on, conveyor of stamp starts. Number of times the stamp solenoid lower sensor turns on, part stamp counter counts. The number of counts is then moved into stamp parts which has an alias address of TP-PLC integer 4. Let's set the preset value of counter using service required integer. And let's take 85%. If target has passed 85%, then service required soon light turns on, which has an alias address of TP-PLC real red LT, which is red light. When the stamp parts reaches 100%, that means we need service right now. That's why service required now light turns on. When service is done, then we need to signal it. That's why we used reset button, which is service completed push button, which acknowledges that service has been completed. The number of times stamp solenoid goes up and down can be timed using stamp timer. The timing is then converted into seconds and stored into stamping time, which has alias address of TP-PLC integer 1. When stamping is done, the stamp solenoid releases the part. CH1 is a sensor which measures the pressure of solenoid. Using this expression, CH1 into 8 plus 40 pressure is calculated. Then we decided upper and lower limit of pressure using tolerance. We have taken tolerance plus or minus 6. So the target is 96, tolerance is 6, then upper limit is 102 and lower limit is 96. When pressure is in limit, pressure target limit light turns on. When it is greater than the current part pressure, the value is moved in current part pressure. Then it is stored in current part pressure. When stamp raise solenoid goes up, if pressure is in limit, then counter up, which is count shift pass. That means number of parts which have passed is counted. If pressure is less than lower limit and greater than upper limit, then another counter starts counting, which is shift fail counts, and then total number of counts can be calculated using shift pass and shift fail accumulator.